Hello everyone, the topic of the today's video is speech writing. In an examination, nothing is written purposelessly. All the writing tasks have a purpose. Before writing a speech, make sure you are writing to inform people, to persuade them, to convince them, or to entertain them. Clarity of purpose will ensure clarity in the choice of style and vocabulary. In the writing section, speech writing comes as a long answer type question. What is a speech? A speech is a formal talk that a person delivers to his audience. It must have the capacity to hold the attention of the audience with a proper choice of words, expressions, and examples. At the same time, care should be taken not to divert from the main subject. You must keep in mind that it is a speech and you need to begin the draft with addressing the audience, and conclusion should be with a sentence thanking the audience. Remember these two things: who you are writing the speech for, that is who your audience is, and the next, what your speech is going to be about, it means its topic, and the main points in order of importance. Note that the written speech should consist of small sentences having not more than 10 to 12 words in a sentence. Some valuable points. First one, greet your audience and introduce the topic you are speaking on. The introduction part of the speech is the most important part. Next, it is this part which decides the impact of the speech. Next, do not give a separate title for the speech. Keep in mind, as already stated, the occasion of the speech and the nature of the audience. Next, the introduction should not be very lengthy. The main topic should be taken up as quickly as possible. Use concrete terms and tangible examples. Avoid abstract phrases which are quite vague. Use simple and familiar language. The conclusion plays a very important role in the success of a speech. Give your own conclusion on the topic in a telling manner. Marking scheme is the same as for the article. Write thank you at the end of your speech. It is very necessary. Thank you so much, guys.